Today on The Cone, we are talking about 4 things that you need to know about anal glands.
Oh, goodness. I didn't know it was that kind of show. And now, the vet who's great at expressing himself, Dr. Andy Roark.
Anal glands, turning pets into scooters for thousands of years. Here are the 4 questions about anal glands that you need answered. Let's go. So what the heck are these things? Anal glands, as they're commonly known, aren't technically glands. They're actually small sacs that are lined with glandular cells that continually produce oil and sweat. This yellow, stanky fluid is stored in these sacs until it travels up a narrow duct and it comes out right around the anus at either the 4 o'clock or 8 o'clock position. There's one on each side.
Did you say stanky?
It's a medical term. So why are they there? What purpose do anal sacs serve? Well, the truth is, we don't exactly know, but there are a couple of theories. They are a territorial scent marker that's used to show ownership of an area, or they are a communication tool that's used to pass information about the health and well-being and stress of one animal on to another. Or they're a form of lubrication to help pass hard poop. And my personal favorite is that they are a leftover anatomical part from the ancestors of dogs and cats who used to defend themselves by spraying. Think about it. What a wonderful world it would be if we solved conflicts with butt spray instead of weapons. How do they cause problems? There are 2 major factors that lead to anal sac problems. Number 1, blocking driveways, and number 2, double parking so that people can't get out.
Do you mean cul-de-sac problems?
Yeah. What are we talking about? So, 2 factors that cause problems. Number 1, impaction happens when there is a blockage in the duct that drains the sac out. So it gets blocked, and then infection often follows right behind impaction. Anal sac problems don't seem to be related to age or sex. They are more common in dogs than in cats, and they are much more likely to occur in small breed dogs than large breed dogs. Hashtag small dog problems. Other pets can have damaged or squished ducts due to past trauma or past infection or even allergies. Once anal sacs get impacted and infected, they cause pain and inflammation. And that's why we see our buddies scooting their rear ends and licking all the time. Sometimes impacted and infected anal glands even form abscesses that rupture through the skin and they drain that way. Number 4, what can we do to keep them healthy? Science. It kind of depends on what's causing the problem. For example, if your pet is having problems because of allergies, getting allergies under control may be all that we need to do. Generally, increasing the fiber content in the diet or using a supplement specifically designed for this purpose can help create firm stool that will press against the side of the colon as it goes out, and it can squeeze out the anal sacs, and that helps decrease the chances of impaction. Some pets might benefit from having their anal sacs expressed regularly. Your vet can teach you how to do this, or you may be more comfortable just letting professionals handle it. Personally, my rule of thumb is I try to mess with anal sacs as little as possible. So, talk to your vet about whether or not this is a good idea before you make it a habit. If you're looking for something to make a habit of, I don't know, maybe take up jogging. In extreme cases, surgical removal of the anal sacs is possible. However, there are risks of complications with the surgery, so it's not super common. If your buddy is scooting across the carpet or licking back there with regularity, it's time to make an appointment with the vet, because there's nothing funny about ruptured anal sacs. And that's our show. Thank you so much for watching. Please help us out and help people who have pets that might have anal sac problems by liking, commenting, and sharing this video so that they can hear the word as well. Take care, and let's be the people that our pets deserve.
Brought to you by Glandex. Boot the scoot.